Have you ever wondered where you can find the best dumpster rental in Hahira, Georgia? Look no further. Welcome to Azalea Rolloffs LLC, your go-to solution for all your waste management needs in Hahira and beyond. Whether tackling a home renovation or managing a construction site, Azalea Rolloffs LLC has got you covered with various dumpster sizes suitable for big and small projects. But what sets us apart? It's simple: customer satisfaction is our top priority. When you choose Azalea Rolloffs LLC, you can expect timely deliveries, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. We go above and beyond to ensure your project runs smoothly, saving you time and money. We understand the importance of sustainability. That's why we're committed to environmentally friendly waste management practices. We recycle as much as possible and dispose of waste responsibly. Save time on reliable dumpster services. Choose Azalea Rolloffs LLC for a hassle-free and eco-friendly experience. Booking a dumpster has never been easier. With our user-friendly online system, residents and businesses in Hahira, Georgia, can schedule a dumpster rental at their convenience. Call us today at 229-563-8110 or visit our website at www.azalearolloffdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Hahira, GA. Azalea Rolloffs LLC is where customer satisfaction meets environmental responsibility. Your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Hahira, Georgia.